What's up, guys? Today we're doing 750 square feet of nail down hardwood, and since it's over 5 inches wide, we're going to do a glue assist as well with special hardwood glue with urethane. Never let your contractor use liquid nails because it can tear up the wood as it expands. You have to use glue with urethane. We've already got the carpet up, and we're also doing this room over here. This is before done. And to see the last room over here. Again, this is 3/4 inch real hardwood. It's pre-finished. And because it's over 5 inches wide, we do what we call a glue assist, which keeps it from cupping, it keeps it from squeaking and creaking. Always use glue assist when installing anything over 5 inch, and do not let them use liquid nails. The glue has to have urethane in it when you're using it for hardwood, so as the hardwood expands and contracts, the glue is flexible enough to, comply with that. So we'll see you on the next one.